students, we are in chapter 10, that is Introduction to Computer Networks. So we are going to continue with our question and answer discussion. Yes, first as usual, it is a 2-mark question. What is the definition for computer network? Yes, now we are going to continue with the page from 144 to 150. We are going to have the pages from 144 to 150. So in that, first we are going to discuss networks in business. So it also will be coming under uses of computers networks. First it will be under business. So networks in business. Yes, it is go on. Yes, communication is necessary for success business operation and technology. For a business to be success, you need a communication. So by means of the computer network, everything is more faster and it became full strength, and just wireless communication changed the way of business. By means of wireless, everything is changed for you. Similarly, the latest technologies allow global access without sacrificing the security or limiting user access. So by means of many technologies, you people are having everything secure. Similar, you people can have unlimited user. You can have unlimited users. The next one, yes, in internet conversation happens faster. The decision quickly, people can make the decision. By means of that one saves a lot of time. So under business, time is money. Under business, time is money. So how you people can pay the payments? Yes, by means of e-banking, payments can be done by online. User can also pay and receive money. Similarly, the business can be a large scale or small. They can use networks. Yes, these are the next one. That is the first one is B2C. That is your business to customer, business to business, business to government. That is your first section under business. The next I will be coming under customer. So customer to business, customer to customer, customer to government. And the next you will be having government. Government to business, government to customer, government to government. Otherwise, you people will be having the network for the purpose of commercial. Yes, the next. Yes, in the case of business, you people can do the marketing and it is very cheaper. Similarly, what else? Certificates to be renewed, everything can be done online itself. That is by means of network. That is company renewals, license or other certificates. What else? The next, bill payment, receipts, invoice and stock maintenance. Everything can be done by means of network itself. And to promote the business by digitalization, government is providing subsidies also. Okay, wow. And next what else the points you people are having under networks in business? It reduces direct human interaction. So no need to have a humans to be interacted. It is reducing that one. Okay, wow. The next, shrink the working environment. The next, direct purchase of products, lower cost, middle person brokerage charges are reduced. Why? So everything they are going to have a direct contact. Okay, wow. So the middle person brokerage charges are reduced. The next one, by means of internet, these are done. What are done? So the human interactions are reduced, the working environment is reduced. Similarly, direct purchase of the product is done. Since everything is direct for you people, intermediate brokerage charges are reduced. Okay, wow. Yes, these are the points that you people have to write under networks in business. The next one, it is your networks at home. So home here for the purpose of connecting your home devices, that is your computers, mobiles, speakers, camera, game center, printer, you people are having your network at home. So here the network in home can be connected in two ways. The first one, it is your wired network. The next one, it is your wireless network. Wired network, by the name itself, it is connected by means of network cable. So you people can have the examples as speakers, CCTV, printers, outdoors cameras. The next one, you will be having your scanners. It is your wired. Wired, very simple, connected by means of network cable. Wireless, it is going to connect devices without cables. That is by means of Wi-Fi. Okay, wow. Here you people are going to have the examples as tablets. That is your tab, indoor cameras, e-readers. So these are the few examples that you people will be having under wireless network. The next you people will be having some main role. Why you people are having networks at home. First one, it is your e-banking. Next one, it is your e-learning for the purpose of e-governance, e-health, telemedicine, call centers, video conferencing, digitalization of memories, your photos. Okay, va? So these are the main role why you people are having networks at home. The next extra you people can have, it is going to serve the aged persons, online shopping. The next you people can order food items and it can be delivered at your footsteps without delay. So these are the points that you people have to write under. Yes, networks at home. Yes, the next one you people are going to have mobile networks. Next you people are going to have mobile networks. Yes, here mobile network is the network connecting devices without cables. What ends to be connected? Laptop, tablet, handheld computers, everything is are connected. So here next you people have to write the features of mobile network. So if it is individually asked for 3-mark question, write these points alone. Otherwise it is a 5-mark question for you starting from mobile networks. The first one, it is your less consumption of power is used by mobile devices. The next one, huge capacity than a large transmitter. At single frequency can be used for different or many links as long as they are in different in cells. Okay, well, first one, less consumption of power. Next one, huge capacity. The next one, it is going to cover large area. Since your mobile is always moving, no, it is mobile. It is mobility. That is mobility means moving from one place to another. So by means of this, it is going to cover large area than a single transmitter. Okay, wow. So these are the features of mobile networks. It is your 3-mark question. Yes, the next another one is social application. It is your next use of networks. It can be asked as the individual question also. Otherwise, under uses of networks itself, you have to write this social application. Yes, name some of the social media: WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, blogs, classroom, etc. Okay, wow. So very fast and easiest ways to cover all the people. So this used to cover all the people who they are connected in social network media. Yes, we can. Why you need a social media? To share our thought in different formats and different file size. Okay, wow. Why? Each and everyone will be, few will be sharing their thoughts in text format, few will be under image format. So they are going to have different formats and they are going to have different file size also. Yes, social network share several attributes. So 3-mark question. What are the attributes of social network? What are the attributes of social network? The first one, it is your membership, content contribution. The next one, it is your frequent return visit. The next one, it is your human relationship building. So these are the 4 attributes that you people will be having under social networks. Yes, first you people have to write membership. Membership, yes, before you people are going to use any social media, you must register that one. Yes, the first why you people have to register to avoid duplicate and for your purpose of secret. Okay, wow. Many public networks provide free registration. If you are going to use some premier services, charges will be there. Similarly, some private networks restrict registration to meet some certain criteria. So if they are going to have some eligibility, if you are going to satisfy that eligibility, you people can be a member under few private networks. So these points you people have to write under membership. Next, it is your content contribution. Content means what else you people are going to have. That is, you share your movies, short films or photo or comments. Everything will be coming under content contribution. Yes, the next one, frequent return visits. So any website you people are more interested in that, you will be regularly visiting their websites and you will be going on with their new updates also. You will be going on with their new updates. So that is your frequent return visits. Yes, next one, it is good for the purpose of human relationship building. Here the common goal for social network is allow the interaction that build stronger connection within communities of people. For that purpose only you people are going to have the social media. So if it is a, what are the attributes of social network means, you have to write these four, that is your membership, content contribution, frequent return visit, and the next one it is your human relationship building. So these are the four attributes you will be having. And next you people can have the usefulness of social network. What are the usefulness of social network? So it is just a place to meet and relax. Okay, wow. Apart from this, you people are going to have extra users also. First one, group sharing, information over long distance. If your family members are far apart, you people can share your photo albums, videos, your wishes, everything you people can share. Similarly, you people can have group discussion also. You can have group discussion although you are long distance. This is your first usefulness. Next one, broadcast announcement. When you people are going to have under emergency, next you people are under during the situation of natural calamities, you people can, you will be, there is a need to announcements. Okay, wow. So everything can be announced by means of this one. So it is another usefulness of your social network. The next one, it is a fostering diversity of thought. Many will be having many thoughts. So in this case, similar interest, the persons with similar interests and similar thoughts will be attracted. So that is your fostering diversity of thought. In that you will be having an important 2-mark question, that is your flame wars. What do you mean by flame wars? Yes, the persons with different thoughts, different opinions, there is a chance to have personal attacks. That is your flame wars. That is your flame wars. So it is your important 2-mark question. So when we have mixed group of people coming together online, many discussion arise which lead to personal attacks, and they are called as your flame wars, So these are the 3 points that you people have to write under usefulness of social networks. It is your 5-mark question. It is your book back 5-mark question, usefulness of social networks. Under that you have to write group information sharing over long distance. Next one, it is your broadcast announcement. Next one, it is your fostering diversity of thought. Under that you have to write the 2-mark important one, that is your flame wars. Okay, ma. So clear with what else we have discussed by now? Yes, next we can go on with the next one. So this is the conclusion you have to write when it is a 5-mark question. Okay. Yes, next it is a difference between wired network, and the next one it is your wireless network. It is your book bag 2-mark question. Okay, wow. The first one, wired network system connected with network cable. The next one, wireless network, it is connected without cables. And below you are having the examples. For wired, speakers, CCTV, printers, that's and all. For wireless, you will be having tablets, indoor cameras, and e-readers. Okay, wow. So everything by means of without cables, that is by means of Wi-Fi. Yes, these are the few expansion. www, it is nothing but it is your World Wide Web. Next one, IP, Internet Protocol. SAGE, that is your semi-automatic ground environment. Next one, it is your semi-automatic business research environment. The next one, it is your LAN, that is your local area network. The next one, NPL, that is your National Physical Laboratory. Next one, WAN, that is your wide area network. So these are the possible expansions for you. Okay, wow. Next one, it is your TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. Next one, it is your ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. That is your Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. The next one, it is your ARCnet, Attached Resource Computer Network. The next one, LTE, Long-Term Evolution. Next one, it is your DDoS, that is your Distributed Denial of Service Attack. DDoS is nothing but Distributed Denial of Service Attack. Next extra 2-mark questions. Okay, wow. The first one, it is your packet switching. It is used to transfer information between computers and network. That is your packet switching technology. The next one, it is your telephone switches. It is first widely used to implement true compute for the purpose of computer control. They used telephone switches. The next, it is your hackers. Hackers are the persons who take away your more delicate information without your knowledge. Without the knowledge of the users, hackers take away your important or valuable or sensitive information. Yes, you can have the definition. Hackers are skilled computer experts, some who with their technical knowledge access other accounts. Just by means of their technical knowledge, they are going to access other accounts. Yes, the next one, it is your blogging. Blogging, add new material to a regularly update a blog. You are going to add a new material in the purpose to regularly to update a blog. The next one, it is your e-readers. E-readers, it is similar to a e-book reader, but it is an electronically by means of mobile device. You people are going to read this one. So it is your digital. It is your digital e-book. I repeat the definition. E-readers, it is similar to e-book reader. These were designed for the purpose of reading via mobile electronic devices to read digital e-books. To read your electronical books, you people are going to have e-reader. So by means of which you people are going to read? Yes, by means of mobile devices you people are going to read. The next one, it is your virus. Virus, it's nothing but a malware or a threat or computer worms that replicates itself. Why you people are going to have a virus? They are going to steal your delicate details. Yes, the next, it is a definition for cloud storage, and the next one, it is your cloud computing. So what is a cloud storage? A storage of data on online access in different area. Here you people can access the information from different area. Here you are not going to have any geographical limit. If you are here, you are not going to have any geographical limits. The next one, it is your cloud computing. So here it is an internet based computing to share your resources, software and information. That is your cloud computing. So it is a simple 2-mark question, cloud storage, and the next one, it is your cloud computing. Yes, these are the years you people can have. The first one is your SABRE, introduced in the year 1960. Fiber optic cables, introduced in the year 1995. Host, 1973. The next, it is your telephone switch, introduced in the year 1965. It is for your one words. Yes, the next one, along with the example, wired network system, CCTV, wireless network system, indoor cameras, mobile networks, it is nothing but you can have it in handheld computers. Private networks, example you people can have is bank account. Again, Amazon, it is nothing but it is your online shopping. The next, it is your blog, it is your social media. Gmail is nothing but electronic mail. The next one, 3G or 4G, it will be coming under mobile networks. Yes, this is your book bag choose. Okay, this is your book bag choose. Here you people have your answers. The first one, a set of computers connecting together is called as network. Okay, a set of computers connecting together is called as network. The next one, computer network devices that originates, route and terminate the data were called as node. They are called as your node. The next, you people are having the match the following. Here what else options they have given is incorrect. So the correct option is 4, 1, 2, 3. The correct option is 4, 1, 2, 3. For 1915, you will be having the answer as ARCnet. For 1966, it is your X.25 TCP IP. The next one, 1976, it is nothing but SAGE. 1972, it is your WAN. Okay, these are your answers. Yes, the next one, Western Electric introduced the first widely used dash that control the true computer control. What it is? That implemented true computer control. What it is? Yes, it is your telephone switch. Just now we finished, you know. Yes, that is your telephone switch. Yes, next one, expansion for Wi-Fi, it is wired fidelity. The next one, people everywhere can express and publish their ideas and opinions via, yes, by means of blogging. The next one, which one of the following periods the speed capacity supported towards gigabytes on computer network? Yes, it is your new fiber optics. Okay, wow. The next one, eighth one among them was challenging to the business people on computer network. Yes, it is your both A and B, that is your hacking and virus. Okay, wow. So these are the one words for part 1, that is from 1 to 8. The next one, ninth one, dash able to predict, manage and protect the computer network at internet. Yes, it is your artificial intelligence. The 10th one, dash use less power comparing with single transmitter or satellite often cell towers nearer. It is your mobile devices. The next one, people nowadays getting relaxed via, yes, it is your social media. The next one, which one of the following is not a social media? Go on. Yes, the example is Gmail. Yes, the next one, you people know Facebook was created at the year 2004. And the 14th one, in mobile network, land areas for network coverage was distributed as, yes, as cells. That is your option B. Then 15th one, which one were harmful to computer? Yes, that is your hackers. The next one, which invocation made the use internet? That is, the options you people are having is social web, mobile technology, mobile app. Under that answer is D is your answer, that is both A and B. So these are the part 1 answers. Okay, wow. Next part 2 also, these are the questions. So everything we have discussed in, that is your previous slides we have discussed. So clear with the topic, what else we have discussed by today. So with this we have discussed the question answer session, that is from pages, that is uses of computer network to till this page we have discussed all the possible 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark and 5 mark. So clear with the topics that we have discussed by now. Yes, thank you students. Remaining we can continue in the next class.